Most NFL fans think games are won on the field. That's no longer true. Today, some games are won before kickoff by artificial intelligence. Right now, NFL teams are quietly using AI to analyze players, predict injuries, design plays, and exploit opponents. And most fans have no idea how deep this goes. This isn't science fiction. It's happening every single week. AI systems are breaking down thousands of plays in seconds, tracking player movement down to inches, measuring reaction time, fatigue, speed decay, and decision-making, things no human coach could ever calculate in real time. Here's where it gets crazy. AI isn't just reviewing film after games, it's being used during games. Tablets on the sidelines aren't just for replays anymore. They're feeding live data into models that recommend adjustments instantly. Which routes work best against this coverage? Which defenders are slowing down? Which play has the highest probability of success on third down? Coaches still call the plays, but AI is telling them which ones work. And that's only part of it. Teams are now using AI to predict injuries before they happen. By analyzing movement patterns, workload, and biomechanics, AI can flag when a player is at high risk, sometimes weeks in advance. That means fewer injuries, longer careers, and a massive competitive edge. Then there's scouting. AI is reshaping the NFL draft. Instead of relying purely on highlight reels and interviews, teams are using AI to evaluate college players across thousands of data points. Consistency, decision speed, game-to-game variance. AI doesn't get fooled by one good game. It sees patterns humans miss. And the teams that use this tech best, they win more often. Here's the uncomfortable question nobody wants to ask. If AI is helping choose players, design plays, predict injuries, how long before it decides everything? At what point does the smartest coach in the room stop being human? This isn't about replacing players, it's about replacing intuition. And the teams that ignore AI are already falling behind. The NFL is becoming a data arms race. And just like every other industry, the ones who adapt early dominate. If you want to stay ahead of how AI is changing sports, business, and everything in between, make sure you're subscribed. And as a thank you for supporting the channel, we're running a $250 giveaway when we hit our next subscriber milestone. All the details are in the description. AI isn't ruining the NFL, but it is changing how it's won.